Hi, this is Francis from Easel. Today, I'm going to be talking about the new replicate feature that's been made available in Easel via the edit menu. It used to be that if you wanted to replicate a design multiple times, you would select it and then go to the app library and select replicator from the app library. Now, you can select your object, click on edit at the top of the screen, and from that drop-down menu, you'll be given the option to replicate. From here, you can input the amount of columns and rows that you want to add to your design or replicate, and then the spacing in between them, either the spacing between the edges of the designs or between the centers. In this case, for this example, I'm going to keep it between the edges, and then I'll apply that, and it'll replicate my design in the Easel app instead of having to go to the app library and then kind of through those steps. Now I can just do it directly in the Easel app. It's just a lot easier moving forward. That's the Easel replicate feature. Have a wonderful day.
To learn more, head over to easel.com.